guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are playing Animal Frennzys. Yeah, well, today I've put in the inner Naomi, Grandma Naomi, because I have some tea right now. Actually, apple cider, but I'm drinking tea, all right? Let's take it that way. Animal, I'm an animal. Woo! Alright, well, viewers, I don't know where Mimi is in the game, but, I'm gonna try and find her, maybe. I'm making a lot of tickets, but I can't find Mimi. I'm getting a lot. Woo! I'm getting a lot of tickets. I'm at level 17. Yes. I am destroying everything, bro. I'm just going around this map, destroying everything I can find. Oh. Wow, I'm the best animal. Let's go. I thought I was the best animal because, I did good that round. That's my favorite one. That map is my favorite one. Yeah. Yeah, I see she has all the Sopo Squad stuff on. It's so cool. Mimi saw. Probably you clicked something, so then you're like, I'm a zookeeper. Oh, I see you. I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, but you can't break the building. Hey, someone just... Hey, they launched me! Got him. No! He launched me far! Jesus! Ah! Animals won. But imagine, who's gonna fix all that stuff? I'm the best keeper! But imagine, who's gonna clean up that whole map, though? Well, not now, but maybe probably like next or 2 videos after this one that's making right now. We might have tons and tons of tickets so we can get a whole bunch of insane crates and a whole bunch of insane things. I'm an animal. Woo! I'm an animal. I'm destroying the cactus. The cacti. Everyone's getting all the cacti. And I think I'm about to go over to the forest. I'm at the desert, actually, instead. Yeah, guys, you gotta go back and see all the other videos. You can't come to this video if you haven't seen the past 2 other videos. So make sure to go check those out. Don't forget to, make sure to go over to those videos and like them. Like them and everything. Make it perfect. Yeah, I'm at 18 for level. No, I'm at 21. No, I don't. I say get me 20 subscribers sometimes. But I don't think I've ever said that. Oh. Yeah. I just lodged someone. Oh, I didn't notice you could break these, bro. Wait, is that you? Hey. I feel bad for whoever has to clean this up. I can do the super flop, so I'm going to do that. Oh, I got it. Yeah, me neither. We're doing so good, bro. I guess this is like a dining area where they eat. I'm not so sure. Yeah, me too. My super flop did not work one bit. Animals win. I have 4,000, so I can get 2. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get 2 crates right now. I wish there was an AFK button. I'm gonna buy a red crate. And we're gonna buy a blue one, ladies and gentlemen. So forget about this. I'm just a zookeeper, dumb zookeeper, so... Okay, there we go. So now we can go to inventory. And let's open the red one first. All right, let's see what we're gonna get. I just got a snow. That is insane, bro. It's cool. No, I only got 2 snow owls. I mean, snow, things. Bro. Animals won. No, I was so. Alright, this is gonna be the last round, ladies and gentlemen. We're at 10 minutes.
How do you see if the howler rabbit's like a legendary?
Let me try and see. Howler what? Rabbit?
Yeah, wait, but how do you see it? How are you seeing it?
I don't actually know how. It's hard to explain in directions. I'm a zookeeper! No! Tranquilize all the animals. Going to the forest. I got hurt really bad. I'm stuck, bro. Okay. Wait, can I see though? Hi. That's actually so tiny, but really pretty. It's pretty, but it's tiny. Ah! No! Okay. I'm trying to look for the howler rabbit, like you were talking about. Trying to look for the howler rabbit, like you were showing. Oh! The howler is a legendary. Bro, that's really rare. That's all the way from the golden crate. I know. It's not from, it's from all of them actually. Oh, the animals won. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to both me and Mimi's YouTube channels. And I'll see you all on the next video or next adventure. Peace.